spaceship,
Yes.
man. My God, what a luxury. Oh my goodness. The smallest things in the world can make you happy. Honestly, there's people that don't even get to look at these cars, let alone sit in it, drive it, put the window up. I don't want to move. Oh my, look at this, I'm a celebrity right now. Look at this, everybody get this. Jeez, celebrity status.
You don't mind being on the Ghostrider channel?
Not at all.
No?
Are you kidding me?
Justin, yo, Patty's
Put me on there every day.
Patty's in a Lambo, Justin.
Wow, this is such an honor.
Justin, Patty from school is in a Lambo.
Wow, this is ridiculous. So how much is this thing worth?
At least 5.
What?
At least 500. You know, you have to talk to the model's agent to publish any of the shots with her in it, right?
Stop! Yo, come! Oh, yo, you have to come here. I don't care about the water. Come here.
Bring water if he's got water.
Roll up the windows and come to Ghostrider's car. I'm in it right now. Come, quickly.
Sean, nice to meet you, Sean.
That is just too funny, man. You imagine seeing this car on the road, right? And then you